All right, so we're actually looking for copperheads. You guys see it? That is not a copperhead. Look, it can look very similar, but that is northern water snake. And they do bite. They're not venomous. Okay. We'll leave them down on the ground. I got them by the tail. And they don't wiggle as much when they're less certain. But see how he'll triangle his head out so he looks venomous. And like I said, they do bite. This isn't the guy we're looking for. But I've been told by a relatively reliable source that this is a good area to find copperheads in. Oh, look how pretty he is. We'll let him go. I don't want to harass him too much. Whoop. And just an old junk creek. Yeah, that snake's really going. Just an old junk creek. Still really pretty, but yeah, further you get towards people, the more junk you find. So that's what we're doing now. And there's fish in here, so there is a food source for them. And there's mice and rats and squirrels and all that. But copperheads do like that. Well, this thing's not focusing right. There we go. Oh, focus. There. Now, copperheads do like this kind of cliffy, overhanging water stuff. So this could be a good spot. I have never found a copperhead, by the way. I've looked and looked, and I've never found one. So today could be our lucky day. Nothing there. All right, I'm going to keep walking, and we're going to see if we can't find any. See you guys in a bit. You guys ain't going to believe this. This little bitty creek, look at this. That's all bigger it is. It thins out up here. It's into a bigger creek down there, but still too shallow for these guys to pass. Look at those two bass. There's one, and look at that other one. I mean, I bet I can catch him by hand. I'm going to try it. I'm going to set the camera up here. I'm going to try and catch him. I'm going to try and catch him by hand. Missed him. He's going back up the creek, but he can't go very far. So we'll set you up right there. I'm gonna shoot on it. Oh. Stuck off again. I'm not gonna move the camera every time. It's too hard. Missed him. I see him. I see him. I still see him. I muddied up the water too much. It's hard. I don't know if he shot past me or if he's still up in here. Ah, I got him! Ow! He really got me though. How cool is that? Hand fishing for bass. He's a little guy, but he's still good sized. Man, if I was hungry, I could eat him, couldn't I? I look fat enough, don't I? That camera makes me look fatter. I got one. The other one's still in here. I'm going to throw him back, though. It's, I ain't going to eat him, and he's too small. But you see they got these spines on their back? I'll show you. He got me. Yeah, he got me. He got me right down into the knuckle there. Oh, well. That was fun. No copperheads, but I caught a bass by hand. That's a first. All right, we're going to keep looking. If nothing else, that'll make a pretty cool video. See you guys.